Protesters gathered at the People Power Monument along EDSA in Quezon City on Sunday for the second trillion peso march. Here is a report.
The protesters who gathered at the People Power Monument stood their ground despite the rain. Several prominent personalities took the stage, including Akbayan Representatives Chel Jokno and Percy Sendanya, Liberal Party President Erin Tanyada, and Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray. Jokno underscored what he called the administration's outstanding debts, including the passage of the Open BICAM and the long-delayed anti-political dynasty law.
Utang sa tamang pamamahala, pero alam niyo mga kasama, palagay ko, hindi nila kayang bayaran yan Kasi hindi naman sila marunong mag-good governance. Kaya tayo na sa 2028 ang magpapalit sa kanila. Tama ba? Marami pang utang itong administrasyon ito. May utang sila. Open BICAM, kaya nga nangyari ang mga insertion na yan. Dahil sinikreto nila ang BICAM nung last budget. Ang kailangan maramdaman nila yung kamay na bakal ng ating batas. At yan ang utang, isa pang utang ng ating pamahalaan. At pinakamalaki sigurong utang ito, yung utang nila sa anti-political dynasty bill. Papayag ba tayo na hindi may sasabatas yan? Oo! Sisingilin! At sisingilin natin yung mga yan!
Catriona Gray, meanwhile, issued bold challenges aimed at the Ombudsman and other key institutions.
When corruption wins, yung mga nakaupo lang ang nananalo. Sila na ang nabubusog. Sila ang nakakauwi sa mga mansyon sa Amerika. Sila ang nakakabili ng designer bags. Habang ang taong ng bayan lumulubog sa baha, sa utang at sa kahirapan. To the Ombudsman, file the cases now! To the senators, suspend the senators implicated! And to the Congress, pass the anti-political dynasty bill! Because power should not be inherited. It should be earned through service of the people.
Attendance at the People Power Monument was notably lower compared to the September 21 rally. But according to political strategist Ronald Llamas, the reduced turnout was expected as yesterday's demonstrations were held nationwide.
Tuloy yung anti-corruption probe, magpakulong ng mga guilty, ASAP, wag matagal, at bawiin ang mga ninakaw. Pero gawin ito within the legal framework. Wag pumunta sa installation ni Sara. Wag pumunta sa isang military junta.
Various parishes and dioceses across the country organized their own gatherings. According to Father Raul Puti Enriquez of the Clergy for Good Governance, about 90 dioceses nationwide participated in yesterday's protest.
Ang iba hindi na pumunta rito, kaya ang ginawa namin talagang mas maganda, dumadagundong.
No placards calling for the resignations of PBBM or Sara were seen as organizers emphasized their opposition to any form of military junta. Their message remained clear: hold accountable those who must be held accountable and return the stolen funds. The Trillion Peso March also featured performances from OPM artists Ben and Maki.
Patuloy tayong mga lampag para ipasa ng Kongreso ang batas para tapusin ang mga political dynasty! At sama-sama nating iboto rin ang mga tamang leader sa 2020. Tama ba yun?